Now look at these cups. Which one has more water?
This one.
Why do you say that?
Because
Neither? Okay. Now I'm going to take this one and pour it into here, okay? Which cup has more water now?
Neither.
Neither? Why?
Because you just poured it into a smaller cup.
Okay. What if I poured this back in here? Which cup has more water now?
Neither.
Neither? Why do you say that?
Because you just poured the same one that you put in there back.
Okay. All right, Sophie, which row has more pennies? Neither? Why do you say that?
Because it's even number.
Is it even number on each row? All right. Which row has more pennies now?
Neither.
Neither? Why do you say that?
Wait, this one.
You think that one has more?
Yeah.
Why?
Because that has 4 and this one has 5.
Okay. Now? Which one has more now? Neither? Why do you say that?
Because it's even number again.
It's even number again?
You need 3 or 2.
I just need 2. Okay. Do these balls have the same amount of Play-Doh?
Yes.
Yeah, you think so? Why do you think so?
You could get the same amount.
Okay, so I'm going to take this one, roll it into a snake. Okay. Now which one has more Play-Doh?
Neither.
Neither? Why do you say that?
Because you just took the one that had the same amount of that one and you just put it in
And
the
just
snake.
rolled it. Okay. What if I put it back into a ball? Which one has more Play-Doh now?
Neither.
Neither? How do you know?
Because you put the 2, you just put the same one back into a ball that you put into a snake.
Good job. Okay. Okay. Now, which row has more pennies?
They're equal.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes,
How do you know that?
because there's 5 pennies in each row.
Okay. And how many, so there's 5 pennies in each row?
Yes.
Okay. Now, which row has more pennies now?
Still equal.
How do you know?
Because they each have 5 pennies in each row.
All right. All right. So, which row has more pennies?
They're still equal.
How do you know that?
5 pennies in each row. You haven't took one away.
Okay. All right, Noah. Do these containers have the same amount of water?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure that they have the same amount?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because their line, if you look at it, it's right at equal.
All right. Now, look at this, over it. Look at this. Now, I poured the water of this container into here, okay? Which one has more water now?
Still equal.
They're still equal? How do you know?
Because this, okay, so if you poured this cup in here into this, and they were both equal on these, and you just pour it, it's just a larger round one, and you just poured it in there, so it's just make it equal.
All right, so what if I pour this back in here? Which one has a more amount of water?
Same.
They're still equal?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because you just, okay, so when you poured this one in here, it was equal because they were 2 equal. But now that you poured it in here, now it's equal again. But there may be still a little bit of water in there, so they may be,
Okay.
but they look more even.
Awesome. Okay, Noah. Do these balls have the same amount of Play-Doh? They're the
Yes.
same size?
Yes.
Okay, why do you say that?
Because they both look exactly the same length and width.
Okay. So what if I take this and roll this ball into a snake?
Still the same.
How do you know?
Well, the reason is because they were both the same when it was the ball, and you just rubbed it and made it longer, and that was it.
So they're still the same amount of Play-Doh?
Yes.
Okay, well, what if I take the snake and roll it back into the ball?
Still the same.
Why?
Because it was just, when you had it, you rolled it into the snake when it was even before you rolled it, and then you rolled it back into the ball after the snake, and it's the same exact.
Okay.